and welcome to Savor the Southwest. I'm out here on a bit of a windy afternoon about to harvest some of these beautiful lavender blossoms, and I'm going to make some lavender infused honey with them. It's a little bit hard to see the screen while I'm doing this, but I'm making shadows too. The lavender is in full glorious bloom, and there's two ways to do this. You can cut the stalk off, or you can kind of pull your fingers up the stalk and harvest. Now I'm just going to grab some of these, bring them indoors, and do it where I can see the screen a little bit better. So I'll be right back.